What's going on, fam? Welcome back. My name's Taylor with 907 Fantasy Sports, and we got a free play for you today. It's Taco Tuesday over on Prizepicks, so that's where we're going to be playing today. So stay around till the end of the video, but yesterday we had a good day. We went up another 3.5 units. I think it was like 3.7. So basically 3.5 units. So can't complain there. We won a nice little... what was it, a 5X over on BETR with some live plays. So that was nice. But we hit this one over on BETR. If you guys are new to BETR, go over there and use the code 907fantasy. They're going to hook you up with a $200 welcome bonus, and they're going to give you a free play as well. So go ahead and get signed up over on BETR. They give out some discounted plays every single day now, which I love. So go ahead and get signed up over there and start playing on these free plays and building up that bankroll. So we hit this nice little one, $5 into 15 over on BETR with Juan Soto over, and then Mookie Betts under his fantasy points. So won that one, and then we hit this one with Francisco Lindor and Josh Allen over on Chalkboard. Once again, if you guys are new to Chalkboard, go ahead and get signed up with 907 Fantasy promo code over there. They're going to hook you up with a $100 deposit match, and then they give out these discounted and boosted plays every single day, usually between like 6 and 8, maybe 10 some days. But go ahead, get signed up over there and start playing on these. Francisco Lindor was boosted yesterday. We took his line over 1.5 hits, runs, RBIs, matched up with Josh Allen. Hit that one over there on Chalkboard. Once again, Alex Cobb, he was discounted yesterday to get 1 strikeout. Matched that up with Josh Allen as well. Hit that one. Then we hit this one with the live plays over on BETR. They ran a promo yesterday where if you hit 1 live play, you'll get your money back if your entry doesn't win. So ended up hitting this one, $10 into $50 over on Prizepicks. So can't complain there. We had a nice profitable day yesterday. Congrats to all of them on VIP because we hit a lot on there. If you guys want all my plays, it's going to be up here on the Winible. It's winible.com/907 fantasy sports. Go get signed up. Go ahead and start profiting with us because, I mean, who doesn't like profit? So let's hop into the free play though. We're going over on Prizepicks, like I said. It's Taco Tuesday, so they gave out a taco earlier. I believe the one earlier was baseball. Yeah, it was I think it was Juan Soto over 0.5 hits, runs, RBIs. We took that over. And then this one is Logan Thompson of Washington. He's the goalie. Over 22.5 goalie saves. So we're taking the over there, matching that up with Holden Willis. We're taking the Green Goblin here. Over 50 receiving yards. So love this play. We're going to double up our money, 5 into 11.25. So I believe that's a 2.25 payout. So nice little payout there. So 5 into 11.25. Go ahead and get signed up over on Prizepicks. If you guys need any of the links to Prizepicks, BETR, Chalkboard, Sleeper, Dabble, all those are going to be down in the description below to get signed up. They're going to give you some free money on all of those, so take advantage of that. That's all in the description below. Lastly, if you guys are wanting to get on VIP, we have a few more slots available. I believe there's only like 2 or 3 slots left. I need to get a new screenshot, but if you use the promo code CHASE, that's going to get you 75% off. It says 10 times here, number of uses, but I believe there's only like 3 or 4 left. So go ahead, get signed up over there on Winible. It's winible.com/907 fantasy sports. Use the code CHASE. That's going to get you 75% off the NFL college football weekend pass. So we got plays today, tomorrow for Wednesday college football, Thursday night NFL and college football, Friday college football, Saturday college football. There's going to be a lot of good games there, especially that Georgia-Texas game. That one's going to be a fun one. And then we have Sunday NFL. So make sure to go ahead and get signed up over there. We're going to be profiting over there. So go ahead and snag a pass for $25 and go ahead and start profiting with us. So good luck with all your plays today. If you're going to be telling me on this one, let me know down in the comments below. And then go ahead and use the description down there. Find any of the links that you guys may need. But good luck with all your plays today. Peace out.